Today we're going to talk about how to set up an appointment type in Acuity scheduling. So once you log in, you're going to come over to Business Settings, and you're going to go to Appointment Types. You're going to do New Type of Service, and then you're going to choose the name. This name is what your clients see, so you want to make sure it's descriptive and clear. In this case, we're going to do a first consultation call. And then we're going to say, we're going to leave it at 30 minutes. This is always in minutes. So even if you're doing something that is a longer session, a couple hours, it's always going to be in minutes. Then I'm going to block off 15 minutes after a call. So this ensures that I never get two calls that are back to back. So if I have two 30-minute calls, I'm guaranteed a 15-minute break between them, which allows me to wrap up notes, prepare for the next call, review anything I need to. You can also do minutes before if you need to, or you can do before and after. You have a lot of flexibility here. I'm going to say this is going to be a $50 appointment, and it is going to be in the consultations category. If you already have categories in here, they just appear in the drop down, or you can create a new one. You can add a photo here, so this is great for photographers if you want to add like a sample of a headshot, if it's a headshot session, or a family, if it's a family session. So you have some flexibility there to add pictures to it. And I'm going to leave this public because I want anybody to be able to book this. If you do it as private, you would have to send a direct link to somebody. It's not going to show up on your main Acuity page. Going to say this is available at all 3 locations, and I want to use my blueprint intake form, and I'm just going to create appointment type. And now you'll see here there's the category for consultations and the appointment type. And if we go look at it from the client view, they can book it. It's a 30-minute call, and it's going to charge them $50. And that's how you set up an appointment type in Acuity scheduling.